Good morning, welcome. Hope you can hear me loud and clear. Let's see what we can get today. Some news coming up for the pound, 25 minutes. And USD, the news this afternoon. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Let's redo the analysis in a minute. See what we can get. Good morning. Hey. Yes, Siri, Amelia. Hey, Luke, it's TzRzetHz. I wanted to personally ask you, how do I recover my two funds from these two wallets? Two different people, neighbors. Oh, I got no idea. I don't know, Bitmax. I don't know what you did. I got no idea. Let's see. There we go. Let's see. I do still think on a monthly we can flip down, but weekly wise we may have bomb wick sort of retested this zone. We could be flying from this level right now. Like 92 was a perfect buying side. Yesterday daily did close bearish, but a rejection from the support. Rejection from the support.
Hey boys, what's poppin'?
A long time no see, man.
Long time, yeah.
What did you do?
Nothing. I've just been trading solo a little bit.
Yeah, that's good. Focusing on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
How's it going?
Good.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm. By the way, I'm going back to Italy like tomorrow, Wednesday.
Damn.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to host the NY today.
Oh, there's no worries.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, Gucci. Why? Just back to the family again?
Yeah, my sister is done with school, so she's going there for summer vacation. So I'm like, well,
Let me go with you.
Yeah, let me join.
That's pretty good, right? Just how long? 3 weeks again, or?
Yeah, like 3 weeks back in August.
Nice. So you picked the warmest month, though, probably, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be boiling.
It's pretty fun.
Mhm.
I want to go on vacation too.
True.
Oh, Gucci. Have you seen the new car I bought? I'm picking
No.
picking it up in 2.5 hours from now.
Oh, sick. Send some photos.
Yeah,
Is
my
it
phone is updating, so I can't send it right now.
Oh, damn. Okay.
My WhatsApp doesn't let me. It's fully updated. It's pretty fun. Wait, let me see if I can get the link somewhere. You're gonna be like, what the fuck, Luke? What do you do?
It's not the mid-engine rear-wheel drive one.
No.
The supercar.
This one is a little bit better, and it has like a lot of specs. Pretty fun. I think here you can see the picture of it. It's pretty much like this, only it's I have a little bit more options than this one. Huh. Long ass. You're like, bro. But it's pretty much brand new. It's 2020 December. It's 5,500 kilometers.
Oh, the AO.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I can say that. The
Aiko.
Oh, that's a nice car.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
The only thing I have to do is probably get like 2-liter engine in them. Yeah, it's okay. It also has that roof that this one has.
The
So
removable. It's cabrio, right?
Yeah. Yeah. But it's a little small though. I'm like 190. So, but overall, it's good. I had a good deal on it, and probably gonna drive it for a year and then buy something fun.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I know you like your deals.
Yep, I like my deals. So that's
yo,
hey,
Frankie,
man.
how you guys doing?
Yeah,
Good.
pretty good. What about you, man?
Yeah, good.
Perfect.
How's that new whip?
I'm picking up in like 2 hours, 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Ah, I thought you already had it.
No.
Okay.
Like someone in the chat was saying I had it, but I already told a couple times Tuesday was a pickup date.
Nice.
So that should be pretty fun.
Yeah, I mean, a new car always is.
Yep. The Toyota Mark X. What the hell is that? Let me see. I don't think they sell that here. Oh, damn. We didn't even know that existed. The front is a little weird though. I've never seen this car before. This looks like a CTS from the rear side, like a CTS, like no joke.
A Mark X.
Yeah, it's pretty, but I don't know what the 21 model is. Let me find it.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Yeah, but if you look the rear quarter panel, it's like just like a CTS, CTSV.
Yeah, the headlights look JDM as hell.
Yeah,
I love it.
The GR version is pretty fun too. Look at that one. And you can get it stick shift. Japan only.
Oh, it's Japan only.
Yeah.
Makes sense. I've never seen it on the street.
Same. Yeah, that front from the GR version, that's full on JDM right there. You don't even have to do anything about that anymore.
Yeah, where are you guys looking on the charts today?
The gold is in that range, which I
Yeah.
don't really like. I don't really like that range that we're in.
For me, it was gold. I would have liked to close about 1814 because that first range is a bit tricky, I would say, because it has the 4-hour resistance in it and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was looking like 1814 to 1817, something like that.
Well, I'm already done for the day. I took the sell on gold. Right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
nice. Very
Nice.
That's a very good option.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Look at the 30, but that was a perfect entry. You took it right here. What time did you take?
Once it broke that weak doji 30-minute low,
Oh,
got in right
yeah.
there.
Yeah, that's very nice. You can't really call this sport either. This is so weak.
No,
Just
I
taps from this resistance and
yeah, it was an hourly support, but I took it impulsively because I know like we're in the range and we're at resistance, so I'm like we're at 4-hour resistance daily rejection zone, so I'm thinking like there's already a higher probability for this 1-hour support to break, so that's why I took it impulsively right there and to make lower lows.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, and
Nice.
daily also has no bottom wick, which for me is a big confluence. So that added.
Yeah, that's gonna create a bottom wick. It's just the moment that flipped, that was at the point where you're getting in, like when it started going below this resistance again. Then I had a probability of, that flipping point, rejecting.
Yeah.
Because look at all these rejection. Okay, this is a rejection candle to the downside though, but again, what you said, going up without a bottom wick.
Yeah. And then from there, I don't know. It might just.
Oh, nice one. 100%. For me, it was like just look at buys because we're bullish, and if you don't get buys, then oh well.
True.
But that sell didn't make sense, so.
Yeah, yesterday I had the 2 gold buys, but I ended up break even for the day. I messed up on the first one. Had way too tight of a stop loss. It stopped itself out and then continued.
You're just trading gold now. You're not even touching GJ anymore.
No, not
I
really.
actually had a trade on GJ.
Oh, really? That's nice.
I need to find out. I can't. Wait, let me go to MetaTrader. It was pretty good. I was at 2 positions in, and a very good entry. But let me see where that was.
That was that. Yeah.
Right
That's 30
here.
minutes.
Yes, it was right here. So we came into a previous zone right here, and if you look on the 1 hour, we pretty much went up right here, right, and we made a resistance. Support broke out again at that one, made a new higher high, and then we started coming back towards this zone, right? And I already saw a rejection on the lower time frames coming. So I was like, when I hit this line right here, I was like, let me take a buy, right? So I took my first buy at 675 ish, and then the second one was at 598. And eventually it went up, and I took the first position because I didn't like the entry. I took the first position. I wasn't in when it went down. Let me go to 15. Yeah, it was somewhere right here. So the first entry was here, the second entry was right here, and then it went up to 773. So the other one position should have been in 10 pips, but I took that out at 6.3 pips because I just didn't like the entry on that.
It's a whole spirit that's moving up in it.
Whoa.
Got me fucked.
That was loud. And then the second position was pretty, like 17 pips, I think, in. And I did not close that. I wanted to leave that run to 900. It was like 17, 18 pips up. but I wanted to leave the second position run because I was like, if we
It's gonna
reject this
reach.
hard, yeah, it might reach retest and then, you know, be in this range. I was like, when I saw this rejection, I was like, yeah, maybe also by breaking the highs we have possible continuation moving back up, but it moved back down, took me out after 17 pips, but that's okay.
Yeah, it made sense as a retest area.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah, I was looking for the sells going down yesterday, but it happened at the exact same time at 9:30 as the gold buys. I was like, let's stick to gold.
Oh, right here, that breakout. Yeah, Augustus and
Yeah.
Frank took that. That was absolutely nice because
Oh, nice.
yeah, because the reason why it was so nice is that go to like the 5 minute doesn't show it, like the 1 minute shows it. It pretty much closed here without bottom wick, and then it made a small bottom wick down, and then it made like a 6 pip wick up,
Tail.
and then it started flipping again, and then
okay.
Very nice.
Yeah, and then it broke the 4-hour low as well. I think that was a really good entry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
No,
the 4-hour low.
like Augustus took it also. It was like 2-minute trade, 3-minute trade. Those
Yeah,
are
it was
the
very
best
short.
trades.
That thing just dropped.
Yeah. That's just the best trade. Like you get in, just like 30 seconds, wobbles a bit in that area, and after just drops. And you're like, okay, 10 pips, thank you.
You still have a runner, Master P, for this whole thing?
Yeah, I have a runner until 18:05:30. That's like the low end of the most. Yeah,
I have the same level, the exact same level.
Oh, really? That's nice.
Yeah, that 30-minute support next one. Makes sense.
Yeah, right down there.
Yeah, 1 hour support.
Your hair looks phenomenal too. Thank you. Oh, there's a couple people in the chat that are in cells too.
But now I think, like what I'm looking at is that it made a higher high, made a higher low. So next time, if it breaks at like 1809.50, I think that could be nice to then maybe go up. But if we break, like you said, at 1830, I think then we could even go way lower.
Yeah. Yeah, clean traffic going down as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Just one huge candle.
I think, yeah, the 1 hour really looks like you can see nice market structure. 30 minutes, it's like, yeah. I didn't even see you put like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour.
Oh yeah.
Like every hour.
I haven't used them yet though. I'm just going to these daily. I'm not gonna get myself be influenced by every single time frame because it's just you're gonna be like, oh no, there's something there. Oh no, there's something there. Oh no, there's something there. You know.
This is strategy 2.0.
Exactly.
Once the 8 hour has a support and the 6 hour you can see resistance.
Full margin cells.
Exactly.
Let's see. But what time you're gonna be flying, Master P?
Tomorrow morning, but the flight leaves like super early at 6 a.m.
Oh damn.
Where are you going?
Back to Italy.
Ooh.
Fuck this country.
Yeah?
Yeah, in France they actually like pretty much made the vaccine like how do you say? Oh, fuck, I forgot the-
Mandatory?
Yeah, exactly. There.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it's like I think if you work in the hospitals, you're going to need it. That's mandatory 100%. And after, like, if you want to go to concerts, like pretty much everything in life, you need it.
Do you have it, Master B?
The vaccine? No.
Are you mad? That man looking. No, it's a joke.
No,
Wait, what?
it's
No, the vaccine. I was talking about the vaccine. Do you have it or no?
Oh, no.
it's actually scary. I mean, France, like,
You know,
if you want to continue living in your like in your own world, then you can not have it. But if you just want to live life like normally, you pretty much need it. And it's like you need it. Like if you don't have it, then you're screwed.
it's funny right here though, because they like last night I think they came out with some news and they're like, hey, even if you go here or here or here, the test is still, needs to be done even if you have a vaccine. Like they're trying to implement that. So even if you have the vaccine, yes or no, the test is gonna tell you if you're allowed to go in somewhere or not. Because
Yeah.
True.
they said it's like, oh, the vaccine is not strong enough.
Yeah, funny enough though, they made the tests free. Like the test I took to travel, last time I paid $100. This time
Is it
it's
free now?
Free. Yeah,
Really?
it's free.
Oh damn!
Like what?
That's good.
Oh man, I don't want that stick in my nose. I should have gone to the hospital today to get a vaccine, like a test, like for the first time.
Mm.
And
And you're
then
like, nah.
this woman calls me up last Thursday, and she's like, "Hey, you don't have to come," and I'm like, "Yes."
Nice.
And no, but and then Thursday or Wednesday, or which day was it again? One of the 2 days I have to go to get my teeth pulled out by the.
Oh yeah, the dentist.
Ooh, you have a
Yeah.
nice face.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be fucked up. But I like all 4 of them, so let's
You're gonna be
see.
drinking a lot of smoothies.
Yeah. Smoking a lot of weed, no. Oh damn, BW. Nice. Yeah, so let's see how that's gonna go. Probably on a Friday I won't probably stream. So now, the signal not confirmed yet. Any order block IDs look. I don't know. I am trying to see if I can buy off this support again, because I don't think until New York we're gonna break out, because we also have the news coming up. CPI, right here. So I think we might keep on ranging, held that inside these 2 ranges. So if we retap that level, I'm going to be looking to take an entry. GJ wise, I haven't redone my analysis yet, but it's pretty much the same. Resistance and supports are still in the same levels based on the 4 hour. And I'll be looking at the lower time frames to see something different. Yo, Master P,
Yes.
do you find yourself having like a lot more concentration when you're trading, like fully alone?
Somewhat, yeah.
50-50.
Yeah, because I wasn't tuning in because also there was a lot of like different viewpoints, so it was
Yeah.
a little distracting rather than
Helping.
helping. Yeah, so it was a little more distracting. So yeah, I was just took a little break.
That's pretty good, right?
Mhm.
I haven't traded alone in all these months yet, so I want to Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
If I
true.
just trade fully alone, no one for a moment. Yeah, I think GJ is gonna create that higher low right now because we just broke out of this zone. We might create a higher low and then tap inside this zone. Might sell off from that. Looking at 4 hours, pretty strong resistance. You still in on gold? Look, no. But I think all the other people are still in gold. I think Sasha is still in from like 92 something. Yeah, 92. Yeah, she literally bought this.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, absolutely mad. Like the bottom. I hesitated and it would have like 50 pips in like 30 seconds or something.
How crazy.
But it's like really scary to like when you see this candle coming down, right? And it's coming down pretty fast. It's scary as fuck to buy sometimes.
Yeah, I can imagine after your experience as well, like with
Closing and all that.
Yeah. It'll need a little reprogramming.
Yeah, when it comes down slow, then it's okay, right? There's no worries. But when you see 10 pips in a couple seconds and it's dropping like that, you're like, oh, let me wait.
Yeah.
But when you traded supply demand too, right? Like
Yeah.
like literally supply demand. Did you wait for candle close, or did you just see the
No,
price?
just limit orders at 4-hour demand or supply zones.
Yeah. But that's what you learned in the
Prop firm?
prop firm.
No, I thought that learned that myself just off to the side. I was in a different community with another mentor, and he was teaching those concepts.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I miss the risk to reward that these imbalances have to offer, because you can like with supply demand or even order blocks, you can easily get like 3-to-1, 5-to-1, and things like that.
Yeah, that's what I saw as well, because my targets became now way bigger, right? And that's why I didn't start closing, even though I was like let's say yesterday I was like at 17 pips and didn't close because you're just trying to get more of that move, and the stop loss is pretty small.
Yeah, true.
Like most of the time, and right now I have like 5 to 10 pip stops, and that's still small. And then you have like 50 to 70 pip targets. Just like here, if I was buying right here, let's say as an example, this would be a lot bigger, right? But target wise, I would try and go back up towards like what this target right here where you sold off from, like 12.
Right.
And I wouldn't take this because it's 50 pip stop. I'm not gonna do that.
Something around that. Okay.
Yeah, around that. Then you already have 3-to-1, right?
True.
But you do have to hold it the entire way, and that's not always smart because it might even go halfway and then go back down, and then you're out.
Yeah, with like market structure, yeah, you always go 1-to-1 or like 10 pips. But with experience and what I'm looking at with holding positions longer, and when the opportunity is right to hold them, then like you can also start to get those 3-to-1s and 5-to-1s.
Yeah, you can just hold your position too. If you have a good position, you can hold
exactly. If you have the experience to know that it's just going to move 30 pips cleanly, then you can just hold. I could hold the position just 30 pips. Because in this case, for this sell, my stop loss was like 5 pips above the current 30-minute high, and it did go like 30 pips down. So that's like 6 to 1.
But
if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, what you could also do is just close 50% at 10 and then leave the rest run no matter what.
True.
What I found always a problem, like when I went like 10 pips and then stopped at a break even, I always get taken out, because the reason I always get taken out is because the stop loss wasn't at a logical spot.
Yeah, the break even is illogical.
Yeah, it's not above a high or a low or whatever. So that was always a bummer to me. Like it would like just put it like at the 5-minute highs or something, even already help, and then just leave him 50% run. If you left that 50% run as, for an example, to 30 pips, you would have again had a lot more profits.
True. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to work on now. Yeah, because if you secure 50% at 10 pips and your stop loss is also 10 pips, if the other position gets stopped out, then it's just a break-even trade.
The stop loss is still 10 pips.
Yeah, if the stop loss is still 10 pips. Then...
Yeah, I would probably, if I was in that position where you were, like, I would only probably have like 3 to 4 pip stops for the runner.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? And then just it is what it is at the end of the day then. But you're really leveraging that moment. You see Rakhil doing it more, right? He's also leaving. He's not even closing, he's just leaving his whole position run. Good morning. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not touching T30. Buying the all-time highs. That's not smart. I still think gold should continue moving down, especially when it flips and breaks the lows. I mean GJ. But I do want to see first the price go up to this level right here for me to get anything. It's still in that downtrend. If we break this high 154.78, then I'm going to be looking for buys up towards like 155 flat. If not, and we respect this zone, we might continue moving down, retesting the lows here at 151. Have you going to Limburg again, Master? When
No, not since the last time, I think. No.
the last time was already a pretty long time ago then, right?
I don't remember. I think it was like 2 weeks ago I went.
Oh, no, that's not much. But everything alright?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh. Very nice. Good morning. Bought the bond yesterday, so happy. Oh, nice. Nice. Bull just blew back up.
Yeah, it just tapped the daily flipping point and went back up.
Oh, see, I missed it. Stupid. Yeah, I missed it. I should have been buying right here.
1
Yes,
hour
sir.
order block.
Yeah, 2 hour too.
Mm.
1 hour, 2 hour. I didn't
that's
spot them.
also, yeah, that's also another thing I had when I was on the stream is that there'd be a trade coming up, but I wouldn't notice it because like we'd have
Conversation.
some chats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have that lately a lot.
Mhm.
When the last time I explained something and then I missed the initial entry. How you can get it is by limit orders again, but I don't find limit orders that comfortable. Because you get in at times you don't know, like it just puts you in.
True. Yeah.
It's like a buy stop. Let's say you have a buy stop and it puts you in the first minute of the 1 hour candle open, the London open, right?
Yeah, you want to have that discretion.
Yeah.
But I think if you have like a logical stop loss, then limit order should be pretty good with these imbalances.
Yeah.
You just need to trust them.
Let's say if I had a stop below this 1 hour order block, it would have just been 10 pips right here, 11 pips in the middle. Like let's say I would have gone in right here, middle of the order block, 18.063. I would have had a 12 pip stop. Target's pretty much here at the top, 60 pip target.
Yeah, true. That's crazy.
Yeah, I missed that. That's okay. I'm really taking it easy this week anyways, because if you look at the news, you know, a lot of news coming up, especially on the US dollar.
True. I saw.
Pound isn't that crazy. Only tomorrow you have that CPI here. A small other things. My God, you know, it just jumped from that level. That 4 hour just decided to flip.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying about that 1 hour. Like it's making higher highs, higher lows. So
Yeah.
if it respected that, the market structure is perfect.
Yeah, you can also see it. Like that's a good call, because you can see this is the previous higher high, and it just literally came up back to the resistance. Sales came into play, and it's just created another higher low above the previous support again.
And that's
You
the
take
thing
it.
you don't really see with GJ, is once it breaks, I would say 4-hour lows on GJ, it's more likely to then not come back. Then on gold, like what I see is it can break 4-hour previous lows, but it still can keep going in the opposite way with the trend. So yeah, if this 30 can close above like that 1809, I think I would probably take a buy, go into that next resistance.
Yeah, you probably can even hold it longer than.
Yeah, because then you're trading with the
1817.
trend.
Yeah, 1817. If you expect price to make a new higher high, you should continue moving higher than 12.
We'll see. So Roger into that buy.
Wait, Raja entered a buy?
Yeah, and the break at that 30-minute high.
Oh, okay.
Oh, right here.
Yep. Don't know, yeah. Just saw that, so yeah, I'm waiting for the close above there, and then I think that should be Gucci.
I mean, market structure is there, but personally, I'm not going to get a 30 pip stop.
No, I don't think he has a 30 pip stop.
Yeah, based on the 5-minute, probably.
Yep.
Lately, what I've been seeing with those order blocks is pretty much like you see the same structure, but only the entries are like at the levels where it's retesting rather than waiting for the candle pretty much to close. Because sometimes it may be the same trades, but the only thing that's different is the entry is just different. The criteria of the entry is different. DAX dropping its all-time highs. You're gonna be stupid if you're buying this. It's never been higher than this, so I don't think it's smart to buy it. I was looking to sell it a 4-hour low. It was a little too late. It was already hanging around. Yo, what's up, Baba Boy? Bye, sec. Yo, Max. You there?
What's up?
What are you looking for on the DAX?
Well, I already lost the trade on the DAX, so I got in too early and I got stopped out.
Sells.
Yeah, this morning. Got in too early, so I'm just going to leave it alone. But I mean, it's at all, like you said, it's at all-time highs, so it should drop. But I'd like a retest first, up to about 15,800. I'm in a sell on GJ.
Ooh, nice. Already.
I sold at the high, not at the high. I sold at 42, 153.42, and then again, and I closed that one, and I sold again at 153.32, which is open, and I've closed half of it. I've got my stop at break even.
Nice.
I'm hoping for 153.10 or 153.5, something like that, 05. But I'm not sure because it could still go higher, GJ. I mean, there's a beautiful bearish 1 hour candle there.
Yeah. I'm looking to sell here, like 960.
I don't think it's. I guess it could make it there, but I'm thinking it's going to come down from here. There was 1 hour order block at on the left there. Yeah, see that? You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It already got retested once right here.
Yeah.
Made the move. That's why I didn't take it in consideration anymore. I was like, if you look on a 4 hour, there's like one clear one right here.
Yeah, I saw that
one. A little stronger.
The
and then they all pile up in this spot. So here in the 4 hour, you see them. 3 hour is a very clear one here. 2 hour, very clear. 1 hour, very clear. 30 minute even, I think. On a 30-minute no order block here, but they pile up there. So.
I'm looking for it to on the 30-minute to come down to that level. It's 153.100 around about 153.
Oh, that's pretty
go
good.
Down at the bottom of that. Can you see where I'm looking? But I'm going to close at right there. Yeah, you got it.
Pretty good.
But I'm going to close at break even if it comes back up to 32.5.
Yeah.
32.3. 153.323. Yeah, because it could go higher and break the 50 area, 153.500. But I mean, I'm looking at that 1 hour candle on GJ, and it's pretty bearish.
Yeah, that's a pretty strong bearish candle.
Yeah, I like that. But I don't want to see
all these candles.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? I want to see price come in here and see if I can do something. Or at least here.
I'm disappointed in my DAX trade.
Yeah, it's going back up again though, I think. Yeah.
And you know what? I got taken out by the spread. It didn't even hit the high. I had
Where were
my
you
stop loss. I was in at 15, 7, 8, 9 in the New York session. I went to sleep, but I put a stop loss above the high, and I put my stop loss at 15, 8, 10. And if you look at the very high...
Oh, that should not have been hit.
No, the very high is... Oh, actually,
no.
No, it didn't. It didn't actually hit it.
Yeah, because... Go ahead.
It went to... The high was 1505.7. And I must have got taken out by a spread.
Yeah, but the spread's really low.
I don't know what happened, but I got taken out at, let's see, where was it?
Probably spread just opened up at the all-time highs and just go.
I had my stop loss. Oh, I had my. Hang on, where is it? Where is it? It's yesterday, so I've got to look at that. I'll tell you where I had my stop loss in a second.
That's pretty good.
I was very disappointed. Yeah, I had a stop loss at 15,810.59.
Okay.
And it only went as high as It's not that one. It's that one. 15,806 according to me. And
806.
somehow it took me out.
Good morning, gents.
Yo,
I'm not looking at TradingView. I'm looking at my actual Dominion markets.
yeah, I see 15, 8, 13, 70.
Right. Okay. It doesn't. Oh, but was that? When was that?
That was midnight Asian.
Oh yeah, no. I was taken out well before that. I was taken out. It must have been about New York time. Maybe it was like I don't know the time, but I looked at about 4 in the morning and Australian time, and I'd been taken out well before Asian.
That's the bummer. You had a pretty good entry if you kept in there.
Yeah, I had I should have put a higher stop loss, but I just thought that would be safe. But
Lesson learned, right?
yeah.
A little bit more room
Anyway,
next time.
that was disappointing.
Yeah,
But anyway, I'm making money on GJ, so it's
That's
all good.
yeah. It's still we made a top wick. If it breaks a low, you continue moving
I'm
down.
still in this trade. I'd like to see it drop to. I'd like to see it. Actually, I would really ideally like to see it drop to 152, around 750.
You know what? if price
Oh man, I
comes,
think I've got COVID.
that's not good. I want to see price close like this right here. They're gonna come up. Everyone buying, you know.
Yeah, the DAX is not flying today like it usually does. It might take off at London.
Yeah,
we'll see. Yeah, we're in lockdown again. Not here where I am, but in Sydney, because our government is useless because they can't fucking get any things. They didn't. The Prime Minister's useless. He's a useless fucking piece of shit. He didn't call to. He turned down the Pfizer vaccine last year, and he went with AstraZeneca. And now we're scrambling to get these Pfizer vaccines.
Yeah, and then he can't get it, and then he's going with Sputnik, the Russian one.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get the Sputnik one. Yeah.
Sputnik.
I'm speaking Russian.
Bled. No.
I want China to take over Australia. At least we'll get things done.
Yeah, they did some crazy shit, right?
Oh man.
China.
But so parts of Sydney are in lockdown. I don't know what's going on. It's too nuts for me.
It's crazy.
Well, my GJ's coming down pretty good. I feel like that 1 hour, it didn't have a bottom wick, so
Yeah,
maybe this will put
and
it
it
down.
broke the low.
That's what I wanted to see. I might just close if it touches 153.05-ish area. I think I'll just close it and be happy.
Don't worry. Be happy.
Liquidity provided to the
Someone else says,
That's what it's all about.
yo, well,
Somebody's talking.
Yep.
Somebody's listening to your stream and then taking your trades and then selling them.
yeah.
Wholesale, retail on Forex. I don't know, for GJ, I'm still bullish until we break sort of 140 maybe level, 150. Looking at this 4 hour. It's really interesting. This 4 hour doesn't even have a top wick for me. But it's dropping nicely.
My 4 hour just has a little wick, not much.
Yeah? Maybe it's mine something.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm not bullish on GJ overall.
No, overall I'm bearish as well. Looking at daily and weekly, I'm bearish.
Yeah, and the 4 hour as well. It's making lower highs.
Yeah, I mean, if we can break this zone, this sort of like 100-ish zone, create a new low, then I would be looking for a sort of resistance to push.
This is exactly what I wanted to see.
This is nice.
I'm going to close another half.
Yeah, the 30-minute close the bottom wick and the went down without a top wick, but it's showing volume. It's like not pissing around. Yo, Ewan.
Morning, guys.
Yo, how are you, man?
I'm so I went to enter a sell on the close of the 15 with no wick, and instead of clicking open trade, I click open calc. So I just open the trade.
It is what it is, man.
Wrong button.
Psych.
What a rookie mistake.
It's okay.
Better than full margin.
Mm-hmm.
Back on that again.
But you would have been in profit with full margin, so.
Yeah.
I think good tills on GJ were that 330 zone or 400-ish. I think that was the zone for sells.
Yeah, max to get like 420.
Yeah, that's amazing. Wow.
Yeah, if I can, no. Look on it there, it's pretty good. Also on the 15.
So I got my runner, and I'll just stop at a break even. And it is what it is. I'm happy with that because I wasn't completely confident at 42, I think it was.
I think it was really good because if you look here, Ricardo.
Yeah.
It just taps into the zone. You could have even had a little bit of a higher entry and then continued moving down.
Yeah, I was in a few pips drawdown. I got in a bit early, but I had a feeling, with that order block to the left, but I also thought, it could easily break the 50 area, 153, 51.
Yeah.
And go up to the next level where you've got marked easily.
Yeah, because those are higher time frame confirmations right here, and this is just a 15
even
minute,
higher
30 minute.
than that.
Yeah.
Even 81. So I was a bit concerned. I thought, maybe, but it worked out. My first entry was 43.3. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. And then another one.
Oh, that's a savage entry. That's amazing.
Yeah. I didn't feel like it was savage at the time. I thought.
Yeah, but that's savage. That's savage.
When you're seeing the candles form and they're starting to form bullish and it's hitting, 48 and 49, you think, yeah, maybe I should have waited a little bit. But anyway, it worked out.
Very good.
I'm pleased with today.
Yeah, I'm still looking to get some sort of an entry somewhere.
All right.
Bit of an entry. And let's see if I can.
Have you ever watched look at gold? Wow.
Yeah, it just spiked back up because if you look at it here on the 1 hour and 2 hour, I actually missed this.
Yeah.
Look on the 2 hours, very, very clear. It was stupid.
I was watching it in the Asian session, and I was going to sell it at 8.12.
Yeah.
But because I was in GJ, I thought, nah, I'm just going to leave it alone. It looked like a good sell there.
You didn't like to be in two trades at the same time.
I've done it before, and I always find that like I'm making money in one and losing in the other.
Yeah.
you know, and the losing one is losing more than the one I'm winning. You know, like so.
Yeah, it's just fucked
I
up.
think just sticking to one trade, one idea for me is just easier.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Have you ever seen the documentary called Free Solo?
No.
Yeah, I've seen that. It's amazing.
Yeah. So, you know, it's go and rent it on you can rent it on YouTube. It's like $5.
I think it's on Netflix.
I think it might be on Netflix.
Free Solo.
Oh, not on mine. It's not on the Australian Netflix.
Oh, right.
Yeah, for us it's different though, because in every country is like different.
Yeah.
Is it the guy, climbing guy?
Yeah. Alex Honnold, free solo. No ropes, nothing. He climbs
Holy
El Capitan
shit.
in Yosemite National Park.
This guy goes full margin, like no
Full
stop
margin.
loss, full margin.
So if you're worried about losing a few bucks, you know, if he doesn't get one finger right on a tiny little crevice, or one foothold right, he's gone. Yeah.
Yep.
So you got to put life into perspective. He's a true warrior. Like he's a true warrior ready to die any day.
And he's just saying, fuck it, full margin, no stop loss.
But he's fully planned. He's fully planned out. Like, you know, there's thousands of moves that he makes to climb that El Capitan, and he's practiced every one of them. And he's like with ropes, and he's visualized every one of them. And, you know, over and over, and he's visualized if something goes wrong. But it's the most fascinating movie. Fascinating. It's just, it blows my mind.
What's it called, Max? Sorry. What's it called?
Free Solo.
He won the Academy Award. The filmmakers won the Academy Award for it. Documentary.
Free Solo.
Yeah,
I see already some people are trying to do the same thing.
Oh, I see. It was on National Geographic, yeah. Apparently.
Yeah. If it's not on your Netflix, it's on YouTube for about $5.
This man is a man. It's like
it should be up.
It's like just literally 90 degrees up.
Yeah, it's only every free solo climber has died eventually.
Shoot.
So that meant stop loss was going to be hit.
Yeah, when you
sooner
stop
or
loss,
later.
that's it. Yeah. But these guys are true warriors. They're the true.
How fucking high is this? I see him climbing. He's not even a rope, no nothing. This guy is like a kilometer at least
rope.
up.
3,000 feet. It is.
But what happens if you just?
Yeah, you're dead.
Like even if you just get a cramp or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh,
listen. Whatever. Even if your finger slips, mate.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. And
can't be slipping on that magic keys. No.
He's only gripping on by, some of the holes are pushing up rather than, grabbing. It's just like, and they're just like tiniest little crevices. I mean, watch it, rent it, and watch it if you can.
Yeah, I'll do today. Definitely.
Yeah. You'll never worry about a trade again.
100%.
Yeah, that's. Ewan slipped today. He fell.
Yeah, I'll be honest.
That's a joke, Ewan.
I mean, it kind of looks like for the best. Anyway, I mean, I probably would have closed as he was breaking a new high, but
people do this for fun.
It's a
holy
nice
shit.
little fake out.
Hey, TG moving up. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. That's all right.
I'm gonna look for buys.
Yeah, it has no top wick, so on that 4 hour.
It's not even that for me. It's more of a
No, it's
structure-based.
market structure. It's making high lows. It's tapped that support, that 4 hour support, and now it rejects it. So now you could expect it to keep going.
Yeah, 100%.
That's why I had like marked up sales under like safest sales 153.50.
Yes,
like-
I got it as well. Yeah, I was looking
Yeah.
at for that zone because anything above that, it's like, nah, I'm not getting in.
Mm. But now
Holy, that's a rejection. I should have been in already. I was waiting. I was thinking if this 15 can, just stumble a little bit at 270 zone, and then the
Yeah.
next one, make a bottom wing because my stop loss would have been too big.
Yeah, I got
Stop loss
stopped
is
out.
too big now.
Yeah, so and I was like, don't want to get in this trade. Because I was more of on this 30-minute and this 4 hour, I was more bullish than bearish because that loop zone that he has, I got potential. I think that we got potential to coming up to that zone before we pop it down.
Had the same thought.
Yeah, because then nothing we can reject strongly from there on the daily. Because from yesterday's rejections, I don't see any sells. Like that was like a big rejection candle, unless we break 438, 151, 438.
Yeah, and gold, a bit bummed, never getting me an entry.
Yeah, but looking at gold daily, it's really tricky, to be honest. I'm looking at daily now, and
yeah, but
your
look at
1815 is your support.
But I was like looking at the weekly, like there's a big wick to fill, bullish, and so just for me, I was talking about it was like if it faked out to the bottom, and if we had a 30-minute close with a nice range and good stop loss above that 1809, that would have been a really nice trade for me in my books. But it kept pushing, and now it just like broke every high, never came and retested anything.
I got stopped out on GJ, so
Yeah, but I mean, you had a good trade, man.
yeah, that's fine. I'm happy with it. I don't mind.
Yeah, of course, you had the good
But,
sells.
yeah.
It made sense.
Yeah.
To take those sells. I would have taken them as well, 100%.
I just wondering if it will continue higher. I'm not sure if it will. But anyway, I'm out, so that's that.
I saw Master P in the morning.
Yeah, he was here. Is he?
Yeah.
He should be still here.
Where you been last week? Do you know where has it been last week?
He was just trading for himself.
Oh, okay. Did he take any trades?
Yeah, this morning.
All right. What do you have?
Gold
sells, I assume.
Yeah, he took gold sells.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sell on gold too. Gold.
I'm looking to buy gold soon if we can close above there.
You have a tight, very tight stop. I'm in with a one lot.
Sheesh.
We can hold it longer as well.
Yeah, I was looking if this 1 hour can close above 1812.
Yeah, it might get out soon. Five-minute made a nice retracement, so should have kept one down rather than flipping. I'm still in though. Oh, Gucci.
What's your entry?
11.76. Pretty much where we are. I think I'm about to get stopped out though. Yeah, I'm up. Well, didn't want to be in anymore when these highs got broken. That's okay.
I think it could be nice. Yeah, GG, if this 1 hour close is bullish, like retraces now, I think next one is going to be the entry.
Now I'm ready to trade. Skill fix. 20. Where do you guys think GG will go? It depends. Really depends. Gotta wait now. I mean, if it's deciding to push further up and break the high, oh my god, look at that.
Wow.
Okay, okay. Okay, gold. Okay, that's good. I got myself out too early. Should have had my stop loss at the same place I had it at. I was in pretty much right here. I had my first stop right here, but I took it out. I mean, it's pushing back up again, that's okay.
You need to get a re-entry.
Yeah.
I see you.
It's just before that 1 hour. So, I have to be a little careful. spread is pretty big. Yeah, you saw me right, Frankie.
You in?
Oh yeah.
What's your entry?
It's
No.
pretty much the same.
Oh, nice.
I took it on the wick back up on the 5 minute. Again, the one lot.
Nice.
Pretty much right here. 66. But I'm coming to the 1 hour open, so I'm a little bit like right here. How many pips was I in profit for? Yeah. If it comes back up now, I'm closing at least 50%. Already went up nearly 10 pips. Gonna put stops above the most recent high. Mm, 10 pips like right here. Yeah, I should be able to make that. Should be able to make that. If I don't make it, it is what it is.
I see Augustus in at 153, 303.
Right on the wick.
If you look at that 5 minute, I think you would get in with that.
I think he said he didn't actually get anything.
Yeah, but he's going to get something. He's silent, doesn't say anything.
Yeah, when he's silent, you know what's going on with Augustus.
After he comes back, he's like, oh, 10
Oh,
pips.
I'm sorry guys, I'm in the trade. That was like 7.5 pips up. What I'm gonna do. I'm running around 5 pips right now. Probably gonna close 50% at 10 pips, and then I'll leave the rest around to 1805 or 1809.
To be honest, I'm not a fan of anything at the moment.
I'm looking for
The range on GJ is a bit tight, and gold's not going to close above the resistance level, so I don't know. I think I'll play no trade.
It's delicate for me on gold too right now. We're coming up to the 1 hour. I'm still running around 4 pips profit constantly, 4 or 5 pips. I did put my stop loss at break even already.
Well, this would be nice if Angola can push back up close above.
Yeah, that would be nice, but wouldn't be that nice for me.
And this 5 minute just does the work. That would be great.
Yeah, but then I'm out at break even, so it's all good. It can do both. I'm sitting at break even, so I wouldn't be mad, Frankie. I wouldn't be mad.
It's tricky.
You know what I thought on the second entry? I was like, yeah, this free solo guy is also full margins.
Yeah, GG's still tricky. I'm waiting for a break of 310.
What did I say? I was like 303. I was like looking at that 5 minute. I was like, if this 5 minute that was going bullish, if that could break highs, and I think you would have gotten in. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
We were like, you're quiet, and when you're quiet,
Now I went to grab a coffee, so I was here. Somebody was saying something, and I was laughing on my way back. But
is it gonna do a double fake out? Range.
There you go.
yeah, it's just in the range, right?
50
But
bucks
that's
up
what-
right now.
That's the thing I don't like on GJ is once it breaks previous 4-hour lows, and I said that it does happen, but most likely it will keep just dropping. Then on gold you can see
Yeah,
more.
I'm
I
at
was-
break even now. I went up 8 pips. I ain't playing no more.
But it's dropping, breaking 15
Yep.
minute low. Nice.
Now I need just a small push to 66. That's the only thing I need. Then I'll be good. Otherwise, out at break even. That's so good too. I'm running good profit. I want to see that 10 pips get hit.
When the 15-minute low breaks, it should go down a bit more.
Yeah, or it's gonna respect and things are gonna get messy.
Should have been in GJ cells on that 5 minute.
Yeah,
Oh,
GJ
5 minute
sales
break
for
as
me is
Yeah.
that close 53.50.
One last push, gold. Give me one last push for 10 pips. 2.5 pips are only needed right now. 2 pips. Please give me something. It went up. It went down to like what? Nearly there. I was like 1.5 pips off. And up like 8.5 pips. So 8 pips. 8.4. There we go. 8.8. 9 pips. Yeah, I closed 50%. Covered my previous loss nearly. Only commission and the rest. Let me close one more. 25%.
GJ, holy.
My entire loss is covered and the rest is running at break even, and I'm holding that till the bottom.
Can we get
So let's
those
see.
sales?
Yep, that's it. I mean, I think I did pretty fucking well today.
Oh, you hit 10 pips?
Yeah, I had the previous loss, so I first covered the previous loss by closing 75%. Leaving the rest run, I closed pretty much that. I closed at like 8 pips, 9 pips, 8.5 pips. So I covered the previous loss, and now there's still a good amount running, and I'm leaving that to 1805 to actually make my profit for today.
Nice,
But
nice,
the win
nice.
was already bigger than the loss, so that's good. My loss was 45 euros, and my win was 55 euros, and I still have 25% running. So
Nice.
I'm happy about that. I think I did pretty well.
Yeah, and GJ, no fucks given.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
that was a crazy move.
looking to get down to 1806, and then I would make another $100, 110, if that happens. For the people that are questioning where I got in,
Yeah,
my entry.
as Frank said, once it broke that 4-hour low, I think that was a slight chance that we're gonna move up.
Yeah.
Move down, you mean? You talking?
No,
on
a
GJ?
slight chance to move up, but a higher chance to move down.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
12 pips running right now. 13 pips.
Nice.
When you said that, I know what you're doing, Luke. That gave me the confidence to just re-enter. Trust. I was like, and I thought, I looked back and I saw that free solo guy still on my right screen. I was like, yeah, fuck this. I know. Gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, let's see. Get to 1806.
Ooh.
Running like.
Yeah, for
I'll
me it's
look-
going to be shower time.
A
This
pretty
is annoying.
savage entry. 17.5 pips. There we go, 20 pips. 20 pips is hit. Only to make, looking to make a little bit more than that. I'm looking at 50 pips right now. Let's see if we can hit that. Target is pretty much right here, 1806.50. Can hit that. Oh, we'll be fine. If we don't. 25% is left running. Yeah, very nice. There we go. Pushing down again. The good thing is that the 1 hour already has a top wick. Could also fill the previous 1 hour wick. Let's see. I'm already at break even, so I don't really care what happens if we lose. Pulling back up right now. Could have already hit 20 pips, so if you were in the same trade, you could have already secured profits. For me, I was really looking to go to like 1806.6, 50. It's okay. Help AJ quit smoking. Knew it. Ivan, yeah, I am. Very good trade, thank you, man. Thank you. Should have held on the first position. Should have held on the first position. Because I would have never been stopped out in my initial stop loss.
Hey boys, I'm out for today.
Perfect. Good
Nice
flight
sell
tomorrow,
over there.
man. Oh yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you. So I can't host the NY today, but I'll be back tomorrow, and Thursday should be good.
Yeah, personally, I'm not gonna be there in London because I have to go to the hospital.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or it's Wednesday, or it's tomorrow, or the day after. One of the 2 days.
Oh, okay, I see.
Runner stopped out. I went nice 20 pips down. But yeah, it is what it is. Probably Friday I won't be there too because probably won't really be able to talk, but we'll see.
All right, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it was a nice sell.
Yeah, man. Enjoy the flight and be a lot of fun.
Yeah, thank you. I'll probably maybe see you Thursday NY or Wednesday NY or Tuesday London or NY. Who knows?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah. Maybe Friday I'll just come by, or yeah, Thursday I'm still laying there, like in half coma probably.
Oh yeah,
because
who
I'm
knows?
going on a what's it they call it, narcos.
Oh yeah, that drug that makes people silly with the dentist.
This is the
Alright.
first time dropping a 1 lot on gold.
Oh, crazy.
Yep, pretty sick.
Mad,
Yeah, the first position I had a small loss. I took it out, was stupid because I had my initial stop right here, and I saw it coming up, and I was a little scared, and I closed right here, and then I was like, I saw it coming back down again, like, let me re-enter.
Oh, nice.
But on the re-enter, I didn't really take the correct profits, but I'm on break even for today, so that's good. I pulled with 75% of that position. I pulled everything to break even, and if I was going down here, I was gonna hold it till the bottom. I would have made like 100.
Yeah, that's mad.
It is what it is. Still pulling it back to break even is very very good as well, I think.
Definitely. All right. Well, I'm off for today.
Yeah,
Take care,
perfect,
guys.
man. Take care. Take care.
Leave a like on the stream, of course. Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, ciao.
Yeah.
That just touched back to my entry and flew back down. Finally using a bit big boy loss. Oh my god. Well, guys, you know the vibe. Drop a like. Yes, those are rookie numbers. We got 350 people in and only 100 likes. Come on. Oh, that just tapped me out at break even and just started dropping. On my first entry, I would have not been tapped. Or yeah, maybe no. Yeah, maybe with spread it would have just been tapped. Maybe on spread it would have just been tapped. At least on my my days. Do you take any profit out? Yeah. I secured profit to cover the last trade I had, and then because I had one sell right here, just above it. Oh shit. I had one sell 1 pip above, so like right where price came back up to, and I got pushed up and I saw this high being broken. I was like, I got a little scared, right? And I had my stop loss actually here at 12.8, and I took it out, not took it just 50% out. I just fully took it out, which wasn't smart. And then I saw price really having struggles right here, showing rejection, and then this 5-minute closed bearish, engulfing the previous 5-minute candle and rejecting here off this top level, and then this candle decided to wick all the way back up, and I'm like, yeah, I need to get in the sell again. So I re-entered the sells, and then it fully dropped down. But I do think it's still going to 1806. But I didn't want to be in after 20 pips, so again, good profit. I'm not gonna stay in. Jonathan, I'm not happy. Did you not take profit, Jonathan? You had 20 pips, man. Come on. Julian, no, just do it. I'm not stepping back lower anymore, Julian. Only ones now. Only no cents. No cents anymore. Just only ones. Got greedy. Oh, that's not good, Jonathan. You had 20 pips, man. You could have covered the last trade that you had, and it would have all been good. You got my like from South Africa. For perfect, man. Thank you, thank you. Lesson learned. Yeah, perfect, man. That's good. Learn from it. Next time, take profit. At first, Jonathan, I think you had the same entry as me, probably. I was running around the 8-9 pips, and then I was like, I don't know. But should just waited for that 10 pips. 2 things I could have done better. I had to hold my seatbelt right here, and hold my seatbelt right here, rather than jumping up. Instead of taking profit, why not move your stop loss into good profit in case it dropped? It could do that too, but this wick would have taken me out right here. This would have taken me out anyways. Let's say if I had my stop loss right here above this previous 5-minute candle, I would have been taken out anyways. And that would have just been 4 pips. You played it smart. Yeah, perfect, man. Yeah, I was like, I had that loss, and I'm like, I'm in with a new entry. I see good profit. If I just leave, if I'm gonna leverage my position and I just leave 25% running till 1806, I'm gonna make what I was intended to make, and also covering the previous loss. So I also covered the loss, and then if I left the 25% run, I was gonna make what I was intending to make without the loss being taken off from it. So that's why I closed 75%. Normally I would have probably just, if I was in the root position, I would have probably closed like a 10, 15, 20 pips, just 50%. But because I already took a loss, I was like 9 pips around that, close 75, covered the loss, fully covered the loss, and then leave the rest running until good profit. How about trading with no stop loss? No. Because my stop would have been fine right here. I would have only lost like 120 bucks if my stop loss was hit right here. So if my stop loss was hit right here, only like 120 bucks or something. So and I'm not gonna let my position, just because it wouldn't make sense. Then the buying plan of Frank would have started playing out, because then we had clean traffic to the left to continue moving up, and then sales would probably come into play right here again. So I would never let my position run higher than that 18, 12, 8. But what I could have done is just close 50% right here rather than close my full position. And that's also lesson learned again, right? What's the stop loss?
Look at GJ. Hit my target.
Oh, wow. That dropped.
Hit
Did
my
it stop
target.
you up?
Yeah, I got stopped out on that 15-minute.
Oh no, it just went back to your entry.
Yeah, it just went back to my entry, and
That's nasty.
well, I mean, that was my runner, but still, doesn't matter. I would have, yeah, my prediction was it was coming down, but there it is. Oh well.
It is what it is, right?
Same with the DAX.
Oh shit. London Open just
London Open, baby.
Yeah.
London Open.
This is where you see London Open in this candle. This was GJ last year, in the beginning of last year. The London Open just
Yeah. Anyway.
What do you think about my gold trade? The sell I had. Yo, Max.
Yeah.
What do you think about the gold trade I had? The sell.
Oh, did you sell?
Yeah, I sold gold right here. Went down like 20 pips. First entry I took at like 11.76. Yeah, I had my stop loss right here, but I got scared when this candle started coming up, right?
Yeah.
And then if we go to the 5-minute, this first 5 minutes started closing bearish, right? And then this candle all of a sudden decided to go up without a bottom wick. And then I was like, when it started coming back down again, I'm like, I need to re-enter, and then it dropped 20 pips.
Oh, you got 20 pips?
Yeah, I secured at 75% at 9 pips to cover the previous loss I had that I closed right here. And then I left 25% running. So if that hit 1806.50, I would have intentionally made the profit that I was wanting to make. So
nice.
But that got stopped out, unfortunately. But that's good. That's okay.
Yeah. Nice. I'm wondering if no, I'm not going to make another trade. I'll leave it for today. It's all good.
Yeah, I took trades today too. No, probably going to go off in a couple of minutes because I'm going to pick up my new whip. Have you seen it?
A whip? A whip?
Yep, new car.
Oh, new car.
Have you seen it yet?
No. What is it?
Oh wait, I'm gonna send you it. Wait, if you click on this link in the chat, it's right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put it up again.
I'm looking at the chat. Yeah.
It's right here.
Oh yeah,
A little car, small.
Toyota Eagle.
Yep.
Oh, you can fold that up and put it in the front room of your house.
And I'm 190, so
Wow, it's tiny, isn't it?
Yeah,
is it two-seater?
No, it's 4, but it's a cabrio
Yeah.
as well. It has the open roof.
Oh yeah. Has it got? Is it electric? No.
It's electric roof, yeah. Oh, the car itself is
No.
just a 1-liter 3-cylinder. But I traded in for my other car, and I had a really good deal. So I'm probably driving this car for 2-3 years again for free, and then
Yeah.
sell it for the price where I'm at break even at. So
Yeah.
it's
Nice.
And
Is it? It's new. You bought a new one.
yeah, so it's pretty much brand new. It's December 2020, so it's 7 months old.
Yeah.
And it only has 5,500 kilometers. And my previous car, I had to get rid of it because I already had 220,000 kilometers, and it was 211. That's not bad, but the kilometers and the airco died down, and like the cost for me getting a new car right now and the cost for repairing that one was irrelevant. So I was like, let me get this.
Yeah. How much are they in euros? In the Netherlands?
Which ones?
The Toyota Aygo.
This one was like 15, but new it was 18.
15,000 euro. That's about 25,000 Australian. Yeah, yeah.
For us, this is pretty cheap. Like cars here are really expensive.
Yeah. I guess it's probably it's the Euro Australian.
But I know just Toyota is lifelong, never breaks. So.
Oh, they never break down. Yeah.
I already had it. The previous car I had, the one I still have right now that I'm trading in like 31 hour or something. That's also a Toyota. But
it's about 20,000 Australian dollars. Yeah. Which is probably what it would cost here.
Yeah, probably. If you go maybe Toyota Australia, Toyota.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send a picture. So you will drive like this, Luke. Let me see this. How can I open this? Send it to me on Slack, Jerry. Send it to me on Slack. Bye. I don't think you can even get it.
Just click on it. I saw it.
Yeah, but it
It's pretty
opens
funny.
like the save as thing.
Oh. Yeah, I actually missed my entry, I would say, in GJ.
23,000 Australian dollars. Wow.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. That is a lot for a little car.
Pretty much.
It's what we call in Australia a pregnant roller skate.
What's that?
A pregnant roller skate.
Okay then.
You know what? You know roller skates.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a pregnant roller skate.
Used cars, but cars overall are pretty not that expensive in Australia yet, right?
Yeah, no, they're very expensive.
Are they?
Yeah, very expensive.
Like, what do you pay for like a new
Corolla?
Let's see, new Corolla.
Toyota Corolla.
Build and price. Let's see. CR.
Probably 30 grand. I don't know.
CR edition. 4-wheel drive. 1.8 liter. Hybrid. Okay. I can't even see the price. There's no price.
I'll tell you now.
The Toyota Corolla, like
A
the
new
a Corolla as an
Toyota
example.
is. Well, there's one here for 105,000. Looks
What?
ugly too. Toyota Tundra is 136,000.
Oh, they don't sell them here.
Let me see.
New Corolla offers.
New.
Why don't they not show prices? What's stupid? I want to see prices. Check local stock. What do you have a random postcode for me?
2282 or 2000.
Yeah.
Try 2000.
I got one. At this car dealer website, they always have.
Yeah, a little Hyundai is $25,000 to $40,000.
Oh, I see here Corolla CR hybrid. So the 1.8 liter hybrid is 39,000. If I go to for us, it's for us, I think it's nearly the same, but in euros. Like no joke.
What?
Models. Corolla. Where is it?
GJ is going to continue to drop.
Yeah, if this 30 closes under, I am in.
Look at gold. Just fleecing people right now.
I think gold's gone to range. If you look on the 4 hour, I wouldn't even be surprised. But if it breaks above that resistance, then choo!
It's delicate. I don't see.
We're trading one lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trading 0.5.
Yeah, I used to trade 0.5, but I was like, I need to take it to the next level.
Yeah, that's good. I'm going to stay on 0.5 for a bit.
That's a perfect lot size. My opinion. Like, I used to like 0.5 as well. Doesn't get on my nerves in any way.
It gives me a chance to break up the trade.
Yep.
I want to add.
So I see there's a Toyota Corolla, same. The premium one is for you guys 39,000 Australian dollar, and for us it's 33,290 euros. Wow.
So it's basically the same because 32,000 euro is about 55 grand Australian.
33,290. Yeah, it's $52,700.
Wow.
It's a little more though. It's like, 13,000 Australian dollar more. It's not that bad actually. I was expecting a little more.
Well, I'm going to give up on the charts today. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah.
Yep. Tuesday. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go as well.
This is my theory, and I've back tested it and I've looked at it for a while. But Tuesday it generally makes a high or a low. There's either a high or a low.
Yeah.
In this case, GJ made a high. And then Thursday, if it's come down a couple hundred pips, that will be the low.
Yeah.
And a retrace.
I've seen that happen before.
I've seen it happen so many times. Unless there's a continuation, like sometimes from Tuesday into Wednesday, if it's just trending, it may continue the trend. But in this case, it's gone It's gone up quite a bit, GJ, and now it's spiked up and it's reached a high of 153.589. So I would be surprised if that was not the high of the week. So mark my words.
Let's see it. Where do you think price is gonna go?
I think it's 53.489 was the high, and the low by Thursday. You know, it could very well come down to it could retrace that whole move.
Yeah, that's what I think too. 15900 is gonna be the place where we're gonna go. Like, that's what I was looking for. I'm still looking to sell 153, like 950, 960, to go all the way down to 150 point, like somewhere like right here, 800.
Yeah.
I just won my 10 pips.
And if you look at the 4-hour candles, I mean, they've just made another lower high.
Look at this, the bullish volume is dying down right here.
Yeah.
I was looking to go up to this order block, or the order blocks, the minor order blocks in here.
Yeah, I had a feeling it might have gone up there, but it didn't.
Yeah. If it touches anyway, 900, sell the shit out of it.
Oh yeah, but that's my prediction anyway. We'll see how it pans out.
Yeah, let's see. Perfect, man. I'm gonna head off too, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you probably tomorrow morning. I don't know. I need to check out if I have to go to the hospital or not. So I'll let you guys know on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, lk.london on Instagram. Don't get scammed by any other people. There's 2 separate accounts there pretending to be me. That's not me. So be right there. Filled in the correct name, then you should all be Gucci. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like also if 300 plus people and only 150 likes, because rookie numbers are there. Take care.
Take care.
There we go.